Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the sweet world of baking. With a classic perfect peach cobbler with a golden topping. Get ready for a dessert that's bursting with juicy peaches. And a delightful, buttery crust. Let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. For the peaches, you'll need about 6 to 8 ripe, but not overly soft, peaches. You can use fresh, frozen, or canned peaches. But fresh peaches will give you the best flavor and texture. For the filling, you'll also need half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a quarter teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Don't forget a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Now, for the golden topping. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a quarter teaspoon of salt, half a cup of cold unsalted butter, cut into small cubes, and about half a cup of milk. Okay, let's prep the peaches. If you're using fresh peaches, wash them thoroughly. Then, you can either peel them using a vegetable peeler, or blanch them in boiling water for about 30 seconds. Then immediately transfer them to an ice bath. This will make the skin easier to remove. Once peeled, slice the peaches into about ½ inch thick slices. Place the sliced peaches in a large bowl. Add the granulated sugar, flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, lemon juice, and salt. Gently toss everything together until the peaches are evenly coated. Next, let's prepare the golden topping. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Add the cold butter cubes to the dry ingredients. Using a pastry blender, a fork, or your fingertips, cut the butter into the flour mixture until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add the milk, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Now, for the assembly. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or 190 degrees Celsius. Pour the peach filling into a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Drop spoonfuls of the golden topping over the peach filling. It's okay if the topping isn't perfectly even. Time to bake. Place the cobbler in the preheated oven and bake for about 40 to 50 minutes, or until the topping is golden brown and the filling is bubbling. If the topping starts to brown too quickly, you can loosely tint the dish with aluminum foil. Once the cobbler is done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for at least 15 to 20 minutes before serving. This allows the filling to set and the flavors to meld together. Serve your peach cobbler warm, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla, ice cream, or a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly baked peach cobbler. Thanks for watching.